at UTS, we are looking really good on the world stage. So we are #1 ranked Australian young university. We are also in the top 100 universities globally. We are a 5 out of 5 QS stars ranking. We are #1 in computing science and engineering. And we are producing world-class research and world-class teaching practices. And we have a lot of engagement with industries and communities. We are a player in the Australian higher education scene, as well as globally as well. In terms of our engineering programs at the postgrad level, we divide them into technical programs, management programs, and combined programs. So our technical programs, we offer a Master of Engineering. We also offer Master of Engineering Extension. This is when you do a major, so you major in a specific discipline and get a minor as well, or a 2 specialties, if you like. And then we also offer Master of Engineering Advanced. This Master of Engineering will require you to do a substantial research work. And this is an option taken by students thinking of continuing into a PhD degree, mainly. And also we offer a Master of Professional Engineering. And this is a master that is accredited by Engineers Australia. In our management degrees, we offer the Master of Engineering Management and the Master of Environmental Engineering Management as well. We also offer a combined degrees, that being the Master of Engineering, as in one of the technical areas, combined with an MBA, and a Master of Engineering, Master of Engineering Management. So there is a combination of different options here. Now, what areas of engineering do we cover? So we've got them here. These are the majors that we offer in the faculty. So we've got biomedical engineering, civil engineering, computer control, cybersecurity, and all the others that you see here on this slide. So for people who are interested in, as I said before, a master with extension, you are able to do a master with one of those majors, as well as a sub-major of another one of these. We know that some people have been away from university study for a while, and now they are considering whether they want to commit to a whole master's or not, and whether master's is for them or whether it's not. So at UTS, we allow you to choose your commitment. So you can get a taste of how our subjects look like and how they are run, and you can get a feel for that for free through our online taster courses. Or you can opt to take a few short courses, and depending on your degree, some of those short courses can articulate to be part of your degree if you decide to continue. Or you can choose micro-credentials as well. This is another thing that we are offering, which gives you a feel and does not get you to commit for, a whole year and a half or 2 years and then realize it's not for you. So the commitments that you can choose to take is you could opt for a graduate certificate, and that is 24 credit points, or a graduate diploma for 48 credit points, or a master's for 72 credit points. And if you choose master's, extension, or advanced, that will add up to 96 credit points. Now, most of our subjects are 6 credit points each. So if you are opting for a graduate certificate, that's 4 subjects. and our normal full-time load is 4 subjects per semester. So if you could pretty much get a graduate certificate in 1 semester if you are full-time, or you can opt to do that as a part-time student, and that you multiply the duration by 2. So you can get 12 credit points per semester, and then you will have 1 year to complete your grad cert. So this is basically the range of offerings that we can give you for your higher degree. Now, as I said before, we really pride ourselves on our research and our teaching and our engagement. And some of our facilities in the university include what I will show you here. So one of our facilities is Protospace, and this is an area where you can work either on a research project or in some subjects on 3D printing. So you can design a project or maybe a prototype, and you get to do it in 3D. And we have different materials and different sizes and all sorts of things that you can create through these in the Protospace. We also have a data lounge, and this is a very impressive area. It's a room that has this massive screen, so as big as the wall, as you can see here. And this space is used for students to showcase their work or their projects. Sometimes we have meetings with industry partners, depending on what you're doing, into that space, which is quite impressive and collaborative in terms of what you can present in terms of your research or your coursework. We also have a data arena, which is a 360-degree interactive data setting and visualization facility that is very helpful in certain projects for businesses or government or anything that requires visualization and presentation of complex information. So it's quite an impressive facility. And if you get the chance to come to our open day or on campus, there will be tours that take you through some of these. In addition to all these, we also have a facility, a lab facility. We call it Tech Lab, and it's mainly for civil engineering disciplines, where a lot of testing is done and research projects that need to have that practical aspect about testing things that students produce. This place is also used by industry partners for testing some of their work. And this facility is located in Botany in Sydney, and there's easy access to it through a shuttle bus that runs from campus to Botany. So as you can see, we have really impressive world-class facilities in the faculty to help our students and our community. As far as the fees, Danielle will go through that with you. Thanks, Danielle.
Thanks, Hayam. So just to quickly run you through the postgraduate fees, just for a 2022 domestic student currently, just noting that obviously the fees that we've listed below, that's not including fee help, but there's fee help that's always available to you. You can see the call to action email address just on the right hand screen for you. But for the graduate certificate in engineering, that's 24 credit points. So as the credit point is roughly 663, you're roughly looking at 15,000 for that course. And then for the Master of Engineering, that in itself is 72 credit points. So, you're looking at a credit point again at 663. So I guess a few questions that you might be asking is, well, what do I do before I apply? There's a few things that we suggest is worth looking at. Check the session dates that are available. Make sure that you check the admission requirements for the course that you're interested in. And any documents that might be required with the submission that need to be certified. You'll also mostly have an English proficiency for the course listed, so worth checking out, especially for the one that you're looking into. And we also have recognition of prior learning. Each recognition of prior learning varies, obviously case by case, depending on your situation and background, but we do have a link that we can share with you soon, just with that information. Now, how to apply. We've got some QR codes here, so one for our domestic students and one for our international students, if you'd like to check out that page now, with the next round of applications closing on the 26th of June. Again, we'll have questions coming up shortly that we can run through with you. For any of our common questions that you might wish to cover, we've got fees listed here as a website that you can also have a look at. The fee assistant program that we just mentioned, and that we've got credit recognition assessed case by case. There's also a timetable page you can look at, especially for the international students. There's that link, and we also have short courses and scholarships link here listed. Don't worry about jotting these down. Like we have said to you, we will be circulating a copy of the recording after the event in the coming day or so, and that way you'll be able to have this on hand to refer to.